Hi everyone. At any organization, customer trust is the foundation, especially in a health domain. Today, we're gonna show how a hidden challenge faced by a healthcare organization is resolved. What is hidden inside Salesforce? Thousands of case feed entries, emails, chatter posts, and comments which were slowing teams' performance down. Managers spend 12 to 15 hours a week manually scanning updates, yet 35% of negative signals slipped through until it was too late. By integrating AI powered sentiment analysis directly into Salesforce, every entry is now processed in real time, flagging emotions as positive, negative, or neutral. The results speak for themselves. 82% reduction in manual review time. Early detection of negative feedback jumped from 65% to 91%. Customer satisfaction score rose by 28%. Escalations dropped by 35%. Here is the demo of how it works. First, we log into Salesforce and land on the homepage of the app. From here, we open a case record. In the chatter feed, we can already see multiple feed entries. Next, let's switch over and log into Hugging Face, an OpenAI platform with our credentials. We navigate to an AI model. This model can detect three types of sentiment: positive, negative, and neutral. Hugging Face also offers several other sentiment analysis models that could be used. Now, let's move to get the access token. Here, we can view existing tokens or create a new one by clicking Create New Token. By entering the required details and saving it, you get the access token. Let's go back to our Salesforce to do the integration setup. From setup, we search and open named credentials. Here, a named credential was created already, which securely stores the API key through which Salesforce and Hugging Face are integrated. Now, let's place our sentiment analysis LWC component in the case. Go to any case record, click the gear icon, select the edit page, adjust the layout, and drag the component which is designed to get the sentiment for each input we give into the record page. After saving, the component loads instantly. On the case page, we now see a sentiment analysis chart that visually represents the tone of each feed item. A red dot for negative sentiment, a grey dot for neutral sentiment, and a green dot for positive sentiment. Below the chart, we also get a quick detail of sentimental statistics across all feed entries. Let's put this into an action by replying to the mail we received. Now, let's refresh the chart. See, the new sentiment is reflected in the chart. We received a reply for that mail we sent, whose sentiment is also dynamically updated in our chart. Similarly, this chart shows the sentiment of the feed item to other cases also. This AI-driven approach enables teams to act within hours, not weeks, building trust, driving efficiency, and elevating service quality. What was once a hidden challenge is now a competitive advantage, empowering organizations to stay ahead and deliver lasting impact. Thank you for watching.